Little dusty, sear handle, good decals. This model, it needs a little touch up. Toy Company. You notice it does have some sort of white wheels. So battery terminals are clean, but it doesn't look like it doesn't want to work. I don't know why it doesn't run. So let's find out. Obviously, you need to remove 4 screws under the handle, and then this other screw here. So we're gonna find out what's going on with the handle. First, I gotta wipe the motor. It does have a lot of dirt. This motor, so it does have some sort of um, hair. This is grass, I think. I'm gonna spin the motor a little bit, and then we can try again. See if it works. Now it works. Okay, let's put this back together. But of course, I'm gonna clean first. Let me reduce my exposure there, so you can see clearly. There's a lot of dirt in here. See, I don't like to reduce the exposure. See this black line, I mean shadow here, this one over here too, and another shadow here. There's 1, 2, 3 shadows, and I like to crank up my, my exposure. But anyway, so for the coast, I'm gonna leave it like that, so you can see there is a lot to clean in here. In a quick inspection, this reduction gear, it shows some little crack here, so it's not good anymore. I need to get a replacement. That is done. Now a little touch up with oil base marker, like that. Just a touch up. Good. Now the red lining doesn't look so bad, but I'm going to give a little touch up too. Yeah, that red lining looks much better. How about here? Let's compare this side with the other side. Good, no bueno. Good, no bueno. So I'm gonna paint there. Yes, I got the spare part from this gearbox. Very good chin handle. Very nice. Good, 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 good. Excellent. This Edward is a Toy Company. Wires look okay. Now let's find out if it works or no. I mean, battery contacts, battery terminals are good. Oh, it works. Needs a little cleaning in some glue. I don't know if you can see, there is a lot of hair there. You might think, why dismantle the motor and then assemble? Well, the reason is to remove the debris, hair, pebbles, whatever it could cause any problems in the future. You don't want to have that kind of problems, especially if I'm selling this online. Excellent. I wonder why these bands were never painted. I guess I'm gonna paint these boiler bands red. That looks much better. Now, how about if I paint handrails white? Now the problem is I don't have a silver, so I'm gonna paint in white. This side is painted and the other side is not. So it makes a big difference. So we're gonna leave the original decals. I'm not gonna change. They are okay. Fast Edward, very fast. Good speed, good speed. A Heat Toy Company Whiff. Decals good, a little scratch on the roof. Battery compartment, battery terminals clean. But it does not look like it doesn't want to start. I see the wheel spin a little bit. It did spin a little bit, but not anymore. I don't know. Oh, there you go. Oh, good. It took a little bit, but it works. Yeah, I don't need to change anything on this Whiff. The only thing I gotta do is clean all the motor around, all the. Oh, you know what? There is some hair on the wheels. I did clean a little bit the motor and add some lube. Also very important, driving axle. What about the roof? It might look like it disappeared, but still there. See the scars? Poor Whiff. But hey, it's better than before. Let me take this out of the way. I'll start with a quick touch up with this Rusty. Now, Rusty needs a little bit of work, not just the touch up. Look at the back. And now, Rusty is a Tomy. Look at that build up right there. Look at this. Okay. Wow. Battery leak exploded. This motor needs some good cleaning. I think it's just dust. There. Obviously inside needs some cleaning. It sort of works. Noisy. If it's noisy, that means we need to replace this cog. Get a replacement from here. Battery terminal looks clean. Yep, it is good. Look at that. You are not gonna believe what happened. I was pushing this stuff and it... Okay, let's do a quick fix. First, I need to get rid of the broken piece. Now, a spring battery terminal. So the spring battery terminal is press fit. I planned to use the rivet, but no longer needed. I have a giant hands for these little things. Okay, works again. Very smooth and quiet motor. Look at this. Toasted. I think we have some good spare parts here. Good. Okay, I think we are done with Rusty. I forgot the eyebrows. The first one looks good, that's okay. What I like about this Rusty is that it's very smooth, very quiet, very good, excellent. A Mattel Thomas, the tank engine. It does come with a battery. Oh, very low charge, no problem. I notice it's yeah, very smooth, very quiet. I like this kind of engines. It just needs a little cleaning. Only problem I can find is it does have some hair built up here and the driving axle. Alright, Thomas, ready. Very smooth, very quiet. Excellent. I forgot to show you the part that broke from Rusty. Okay. Now a 1999 Tomy, but look, 2002 Tomy. Mavis. Little dusty. Okay, let's see what's going on with this Mavis. It does not start up, so we just tap it a little bit, see if it works. This feels kind of loose, but it's not actually. If it doesn't work, then we can try 3 volts. Nothing happens. Let's see what's going on with this motor. Oh, there's a lot of hair inside. It took me a little bit of time to make it run. I don't know if you can hear it. Gears engaged. I just need to clean a little bit. Look at that. Done. Okay, moment of truth. Works great. Great. Excellent. Just a little bit dusting. Oh, the eyebrows. Eyebrows done. Okay, we are done with my Mavis. Alright, now we have Boco. Boco is a heat toy company, and it does have some battery corrosion. Now, it is not the same Boco. We're gonna scrub a little bit for 1 or 2 minutes. There are 3 options that I can do if... Oh, it works. Oh, okay, excellent. Alright. One is a nickel plate, the other one is put another battery terminal like this, because this one looks like it's gonna break, or spring loaded battery terminals like these ones. Well, it looks strong, it is not soft. I'll try to nickel plate. Ready for nickel plate. Okay, I hope you can see the reaction. I don't know if you noticed, but it changed the color very quickly. I exposed the copper plating and now it is nickel plating. Pretty cool, huh? That should do it. Right, let's put a rivet on this Boco. We just pull the tab back, do a little test, and it's working. Need to put a set of wheels back there. the battery, the top, and it runs. Am I missing something? Oh, there you go. There is Boco. Very nice, very good. I think we are done for today, guys.